This is a homework help video for Wednesday, December 7th for all classes. This homework is 5-5 problem solving. The first problem says euros are currency used in several European countries. On one day in October 2005, you could exchange $3 for about 2.5 euros. How many dollars would you have needed to get 8 euros? So we're comparing dollars to euros, so let's make our ratio table. We know that for $3 we could get 2.5 euros. We want to know how many dollars, so the dollars is the unknown, we would have needed to get 8 euros. So let's write our proportion. 3 over x equals 2.5 over 8. We'll write an equation using cross products. 2.5 times x, 2.5x equals 3 times 8. So 2.5x equals 24. And then we're going to solve for x. We're going to undo this multiplication by dividing by 2.5. Because 2.5 divided by 2.5 is 1, so we just get 1x on this side. We can do that as long as we also divide the other side of our equation by 2.5 to keep the equation balanced. So 24 divided by 2.5. 24 divided by 2.5. We never divide by a decimal. We only divide by whole numbers, so I'm going to move this decimal one place to the right to make this 25. I can do that as long as I move the decimal in 24 one place to the right. But I don't see a decimal in 24. When it's not in sight, it's on the right. So the decimal's right there. If I move it one place to the right, I have to put a 0 in that empty space. So we have 240 divided by 25. 240 divided by 25. There are 0 5s and 2. There are 0 25s and 2. There are 0 25s and 24. So I need to figure out how many 25s and 240. Well, that's so close to 250, and 10 times 25 is 250. It must be 9. Let's see what 25 times 9 is down here. 5 times 9 is 45. Carry the 4. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 4 is 22. So that's 9 times 25 is 225. Subtract, we get 10 minus 5 is 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1. We want to keep dividing, so we can add a decimal and a 0 and keep dividing. And line up a decimal in our answer. How many 25s in 150? There are 6. 6 25s in 150. Exactly. So the answer is x is 9.6. Since we're talking about dollars, that's $9.60. Number 5 says, for every 5 books her students read, Mrs. Fenway gives them a free homework pass for 4 days. So we're comparing books read to days. And we have 5 books read equals 4 days of free homework pass. And then it says Juan has accumulated homework passes for 12 days so far. So what proportion will we use to find out how many books he has read? So the books read is x. So I'm going to write my own proportion. 5 over x equals 4 over 12. And then I want you to notice that that proportion is nowhere in the answer choices. So what do I do in a situation like that? Remember I showed you the thing where we can rotate the proportion and the cross products will stay consistent. So we just need to find the proportion that has the same cross products we have. We have 4x and 5 times 12. Right here this is 4 times 5 and 12 times x. That's not right. This is 4 times 12 and 5 times x. That's not right. This is 5 times 12 and 4 times x. So this is the one that matches our same cross products. This last one is 4 times 12 and 5 times x, and that's not what we have. So answer choice C works. There's a homework help video in this homework. Not a homework help video. There's a golden ticket in this homework, and the way you win the golden ticket is by answering this question. How many seconds are in 4/5 of an hour? How many seconds are in 4/5 of an hour? The first person to bring me the correct answer will win the golden ticket. Anybody who brings me a correct answer after that first person will win 10 tickets for the next weekly drawing. And any incorrect answers but attempts will win 5 tickets for the weekly drawing. Okay, hope that helps with the homework. I'll see you in the morning.